Hey everyone, it's Maddie with Brinkley RV, and today we're standing inside the Model I travel trailer. We're going to show you one of the most innovative features across this lineup, which is the Smart Projector with indoor and outdoor viewing. We decided to go with a Smart Projector across the Model I lineup, not only because it gives you way more counter space than a traditional TV would, if it's sitting on top of all your counter space, but then also it gives you more light with all of the huge windows in our lineup here. So right now we're in the 235, but every Model I you're going to get a huge 40 by 48 window here, so you can get a nice view of that campsite while you're on your camping trip. The Nebula Capsule 3 is a very versatile projector. That's why we've decided to use it in the Model I, to give you more options on your camping trip. So not only can you use it in the interior viewing mode, you can also use your exterior viewing screen, flip the image, and then get outdoor viewing right on your campsite. When you dismount the projector and unhook it from the main power source, it will run on battery then. In the viewing mode, so if you want to go watch a movie, you'll get 2.5 hours of viewing. If you want to use it as a portable speaker, you can get about 10 hours of listening time then too. If you're wondering what all you can watch on the projector, have no fear because it's going to be just like any other smart TV. You still get access to any of the streaming apps or even YouTube that you may watch on your TV at home. This is going to be integrated with the Google Play Store, and then you also have an additional HDMI port on the side here, so if you want to hook up your computer or any gaming systems, you can do so from the projector as well. Also, right on this side panel, you do have a satellite and cable inserts, as well as a dimmable light. So we have one light switch that will turn off and on this puck light here, and it is on a dimmer, so you can get that optimal viewing experience straight from your theater seats, directly across from the projector. Now that covers the visual part. Let's talk about the audio. We do have Rockford Fosgate integrated into the Model I lineup, all floor plans, and then we do have it connected to where you can run your projector sound through the speakers in your unit. So all you have to do is change that input source to TV in, and then you'll be listening to your TV or movie, whatever you're watching, throughout the sound system in your coach. You can also use the outdoor speakers for that same experience. And an added bonus is that we are subwoofer prepped, so if you decide to buy an aftermarket subwoofer through your Brinkley dealer, you can install that and get real bass with that sound as well. So you've seen what the indoor viewing looks like. Let's take a look at what the outside viewing looks like. Underneath this top screen here, you'll have your exterior viewing screen, and it looks the same, but it is a little different. It is going to be translucent, which is going to allow you to reverse image that projection so you can get a crystal clear view on the outside at your campsite. Now let's go check it out. Now we're out at that campsite. You can see we've got this awesome projector set up. This is perfect for any movies you want to watch outside under the stars, or even tailgates, because we've got the LP Quick Connect and an outlet here underneath the awning. It's the perfect setup.